They say, they wanna follow my lane, but they can't stay real. Niggas are fake like my...
What's up, beautiful people? This is Malik Sterling. Welcome back to my YouTube channel here. So today, we're at Watan Center. If you're in Qatar and you're thinking of a place to buy your mobile phone or your gadgets, computer accessories, anything you want to buy from this is the right place to be. If you want to swap your phones as well, anything else you want to do about phone, you can just come here. So I have a friend inside, we will just go to him and then let's see the prices of the phones and then how they cost. So let's go inside.
Bad drip with the barber cocoa. Try a shade, yo. Go back, you ain't got fucko. I was going hard on the street and I be dirty before this.
Thank you. So guys, we are in here. This guy just handed this over to me. So you see all these people over here. I think most of them are here to either buy phone, sell, or repair, maybe. So yeah, let's go and then we check my guy out. Let's see the kind of phones he has and the prices.
Check casing.
You want to change for the 13 Pro Max, right? So we're already in here. I want to change the case of my phone. The cover, this one should be good.
Gold.
Oh, this one is for ladies. I'm not interested.
I have this another one, bro.
Maybe this one, right?
It's just good here.
Yeah.
Check.
So what kind of phones do you have now?
Phone, I have this one available.
Which ones?
iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone XR.
So all these are second hand, right?
All second hand. With the 12 Pro series also.
So this is 11 Pro, right?
11, iPhone 11. 6 month warranty.
6 months warranty. How much is it?
1,700.
How many GB?
128. Still under warranty Apple. 5 months. This one is still 2,100. 2,100. And X Max also.
So which one is this?
iPhone 11 Pro.
11 Pro. Oh, okay. And how much is it?
This one for you, selling price 22 for you, 21 for you. X Max, full box with charger.
No, this one is for ladies.
Ready.
Yeah. I'll bring you more customers because I have this friend of mine. He wants to swap his 7 Plus. Oh, which one? Oh, Samsung.
Samsung also.
Ultra, right?
Yeah.
Which type exactly? Which one?
This one 5G, only this one 2850.
Samsung A21 Ultra. That's cool. How much is it?
2150. This one 2850.
2850. 2,850 real. Yeah, but it's okay. iPhone is more expensive more than Samsung, right? Samsung, go and sleep. I'll put your number there if somebody needs a phone or wants to swap.
Yeah, all here available.
Yeah, so they can contact you.
Bringing so many customers, special discount for you.
Yeah, I'll bring more. So he says if I bring more customers, yeah, they're gonna have a discount.
Just
maybe
ask
5% or
yeah, discount for you. Just ask your name, tell your name, I will discount for you.
Okay. You hear that, right?
You ain't got fucko. I was going hard on the street and I be dirty before this flex. You don't know, you mama you coming some. We never bad. Or don't know grandma you be na makasa me girl. That should be sad, that should be hard. Oh, nah, I don't want to back.
Somali, oh, I like Somali. Hola. Somali number 1. Salam. All these are his phones. You can come here and check it out. And then he says something that he says, if you come here and then you say, I recommended you to him, definitely he's going to give you a discount. So I'm going to leave his name down there. Yeah, this is the name of his mobile shop. That's O2 Mobile Stop. Yeah, so you can hop in whenever you feel like you want to service your phone, repair, or swap, sell and buy, anything of that sort. Yeah, so you can check him out. So I will leave his number in the description or even on the screen here. It's going to come right now. Yes, so you can call him if you need any service from him. Yeah, so let's go and check other shops as well.
They don't know, they don't know. Yeah, no, they don't know. You don't know.
So if you're wondering if this place is busy all the time, yes, I think most of the times it's busy on Fridays. So Fridays when you come here, the whole place is like full and totally packed because people are here to sell. Some of them are here to swap, to repair. And yeah, I think that's just it. So the location is just Watan Center. You can just come and then check, want to repair your phone, buy or sell or do anything like that. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so we are still here. Today's video has been successful. We're still at the Watan Center. There are lots of people over here. So, yeah. So if you like this video, just make sure to subscribe, to like, comment, and then share. You can subscribe as well if you've not already subscribed to my channel. This is Malik Sterling, and I'm out.
Yeah, my yellow.